Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2012 Harley Davidson Softail Slim I'm going to show you. This is a nice bike. It's a low mileage bike. Beautiful red metallic paint. Got excellent tires on it. You still see the little knobs here. I think these are probably the original tires. Notice it's got a little scratch up here on the headlight. Up there. Black powder coated bars. This one's been upgraded with a, looks like an ostrich seat. Solo bike. Some chrome frame inserts here. Softail Slim. Back tires in fine shape. Black powder coated rims. Factory shotgun exhausts. That's the factory air breather on there as well. Nostalgic style floorboards. You see the metallic in that paint, looks really nice. This bike's only got 532 miles, so it doesn't have any miles on it at all. Factory exhaust is kind of quiet. If you want to change that, we can fix that for you. We got a full service department that we run our bikes through and check them out. This one came through with flying colors, no issues with this bike. Like new, except for that little scratch up there on the headlight. Qualifies for some excellent financing, extended warranties. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. Take almost anything in on trade. And we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.